That's the
And,
mission, right?
yeah, that's the mission. You know what? There's not a vehicle, I assume.
Spot the car?
Where is
Oh,
he?
whoa, 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 whoa. Below.
I don't see him. Oh, he's there. He's right there. Okay, you see him, Stocky? Good job.
Yeah.
See, what you did? That is what I'm talking about.
I killed one, right? By the car.
One
Yeah.
is
On my
there.
mark. Where? On your mark?
If you hover for a moment, I can take him.
Hoovering now. You see him, Stocky?
Dead.
Can't aim. I can't aim. Nice.
Yes, you know now what I'm talking about, would you?
Yeah, but you didn't give me such a good shots, man.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Just put your gear in the car, boys. I'll drop you. Or just Wojo, maybe.
Yeah, that's cool. You can go loot, Wedge. I'll cover you with the minigun. Unless you want me to go with you, it's up to you.
No.
There you go.
Oh, there's a... something. To our left in the tree line right there. But he's going the trader, I think.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'll never be able to.
Yeah, not worth it. Oh!
Unless you
okay.
want to light them up right now. They're hurting us. They're hurting us. Glass is hit. You gotta shoot them.
I can't see. Okay.
One dead.
Rotate slightly left.
Second dead.
Car
Fuck.
still driving.
No. Killed the driver, I think.
Wojo out. Stocky out, maybe? I don't know. Stand.
No. I have 400 bullets still. I killed the driver and the guy that jumped, so I don't know if there's any more. I don't think so. Nice job.
Light it up. Is it dead? Oh, good. Car locked. We're getting thermal scanner.
Locked. Just leave these guys. They're not getting anything from there. Anyway.
Shots from behind us.
Yeah.
Oh, I see him. You see him, Stocky?
No.
I marked him. Can you kill him?
I see. Yeah, hold on. I'm terrible. I'm sorry. I didn't zoom properly. My bad.
You see him?
I don't know. No.
He's by this pole right there. In this bush.
Yep.
He's moving.
Turn slightly left. Anyway.
Yeah, you're good.
I can.
Shot on me. He's running over the bushes now. In these bushes now.
Oh,
Okay,
damn.
just pop him out of his zone. Can you get him? Because I gotta move
will,
again.
if you stop moving.
Don't
There you go.
rotate.
Gotta move.
Then when I
89
have
bullets.
no.
Dear Lord. Fuck, that took too long. Sorry, man. Jesus Christ. I swear that.
Right.
What are you doing?
Right side, Stocky.
Interrupt all the important stuff going over there. Not interrupting anything.
Do this now. Do this now.
Where are they?
Right here. One dead. Kill them now. Oh, it's right there. Another one. Fuck this kid, the hunter's
I killed everyone, dude.
No, this thing is driving, it's driving.
I don't see it. Okay, I see it. Keep going straight. Every ground unit is dead.
I know. Watcher, you need to come pick up this car. We'll
Pick up what?
pick up this car. Pick up the fucking Jekyll. Sorry, Stocky, sorry, I'm working on it.
Wheels out, wheels out.
Auto hover on.
There's only one guy left. I killed 3.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know. You killed 3. Get this kid now.
He's gonna lock the car.
2 kids. They had definitely locked the car. 1 dead.
They locked
Wheels
the car?
out. Probably. I have a thumb skin on me though. I'm getting to the other side of this. Taking shots from the sniper. Wojo, you killing him?
Yeah.
Oh, he's dead. Stocky, hold fire. Take the thermoscan and get out.
Okay, what's 3, 6, 3, 0, 0.
We got a heli above us.
Oh.
Unless he's trying to light us up. Oh, he's turning for us. He got guns.
Good.
I'm getting that altitude going.
Just tell me what's
Right side. Getting lit up right now. Left side. Right next to us. Left side. You can get him. Left side. Shoot him. And they're dead. 3 kills. Get fucking wrecked.
But the heli is fucking dead.
I'm sorry about that.
Wrecked.
Good work, Fenwar.
I'm switching to right side then.
Okay. So see, oh, there's something's flying. Let's go for the Ifrit. Our heli's probably blown up.
Yeah, I see.
I'm coming in slow and low on the heli. Fire your rounds and then get the fuck out of there. On the Ifrit. Holding. Super steady. Right here.
I don't see Ifrit. I don't see Ifrit.
It's right there. Okay, fuck. Get the gunner seat. Get the left gunner. We'll get fucked by the heli in a second. So our heli is blown up, yeah? Yeah, no question about that. Let's fuck up the heli then.
Right, fuck.
Right side.
Why is it pointing so low?
Is that any good?
Left side? I don't know. I mean, go for chase.
Left side? He's bringing us right over his guys. This is not survivable. Where did the effort go? I can go really low past that guy if you can hit him.
Don't try, I mean, he's probably the grenade launcher guy. Or Navid guy. I'm gonna go, I can blow him with grenades though.
Shoot, okay, shoot. Yeah, I'm going now. I'm going 130,
yeah, go,
140, 150, 160. I don't feel fast enough right now. Okay, blow him. That's good hits. We should get out of here. I'm pretty sure we should. What's your call on this? Oh, the heli is picking up a guy right now. Get to the minigun. Left side minigun. I'm leaving.
Yeah. So turn right slightly, yeah.
We're taking heavy hits right now, Wojo.
Are we?
Yes.
Okay, go away.
He's not us anymore. We can do another pass if you want.
Yeah, go.
What's the health? Check the health first.
It's 80% engine.
Okay.
Nothing else really damaged.
Hmm?
Nothing else really damaged.
No, I thought I hit the V-rotor quite hard.
No, H-rotor is 93, that's it. I'm on the right with grenade launcher.
If it's driving, get in the gunner maybe.
Hold on, where is it?
Here.
Go, 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 go.
This heli is landing, heli is landing. I'm going for the heli.
Where?
Left gun right now. He's landing right in front of us. You see it? No, here. This one. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Again.
Turn right, turn right, turn right.
Ifrit also parked again. Can you hit him like this? I'm gonna get a bit away from him and then hit in an auto hover so you can hit him, okay? Auto hover coming in.
Turn right, turn right, turn right.
I'm turning as hard as I can.
Stop, stop, stop.
Holding.
Okay, not worth anymore.
Left gun, I'm going into the Ifrit.
No, his heli's still going around. We should,
Okay. Chasing the heli, Ifrit is still parked.
turn more left, more left, more left.
Can you shoot him like this?
No, but I can maybe go for pilot if you... Nice.
Holding. Steady. Yes! One dead. We got one kill on him.
Yeah, nice.
Don't know, he's still flying. I don't know who you killed.
53 engine.
Okay, where's the tele?
This way, you're going good way.
Yeah,
No,
I see him.
more
I see him.
right.
I need to go lower. I'm catching speed. We were very
More
high.
left now.
More left?
Yeah, I'm on the left gun. Now
Okay,
go
yeah.
right, more right. Just try to get in his front. I'm not getting there now. Yeah, I'm gonna get shots.
No, left side.
Yeah.
He's going down with the Ifrit. Or to the
Yeah,
Ifrit.
go high. Go high because we may get light up on navigator or something, you know?
You're gonna get him. Holding. Way more to the left in my opinion.
Pretty sure his engine's dead.
Yeah, he's dead. That guy's done for.
He's auto-rotating.
Yeah, he's dead.
There.
Keystone. Perfect. Alright, going for the Ifrit now. What's our health?
Checking. 53 engine, pretty good, apart from that.
Okay.
Where's their fit?
To the right somewhere in this valley in front of us. Right gun.
Copy, I'm in.
Yeah, he's parked here.
Okay.
We're moving, marker.
Hold on, moving to the grenade launcher.
I don't know if he has guys there. He should have 2 guys on the ground.
Oh wait, this was way up, we're too high.
Okay, hold on, I'm holding this now. We're taking shots, I don't know from where.
From the forest.
Just take the minigun and kill the skid.
Don't let us blow up again, man. Go, don't hover.
Not hovering, I'm just losing
see him.
height. Where?
This tree.
If I hover, can you kill him?
Go for grenade launcher.
Okay. I'm in position now, if you can kill him. I don't know where he is, but...
Oh, come on, go, 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 go. I got very good hits on him though, with grenade launcher.
Doing another one of this kind. Is it only one?
I don't know. Switching to left, hold on. Don't let me get killed though, hold on.
Oh, this is hover. Okay. We're going backwards with 50. I'm going to get forward movement. I don't know where he is, man.
I see him, man. He's still there.
Take the minigun. I go for a left slope for a slow pass. You can get him for sure. Take the right side minigun.
I think I...
Going backwards. Good. Do we know if there are more?
No idea.
Okay, I'm just gonna blow up